This is Gangde Industry and Trade Company Limited, founded in 2002, covering 90,000 square meters. We are a diverse group, including 11 production workshops and 2 office areas, employing over 500 staff. Making glass beads started in 2002, covering 20,000 square meters, including a production and assembly workshops and a warehouse. The output of the full ranges of glass beads exceeds 30,000 tons. Glass beads field cover road marking, industrial sandblasting, industrial grinding, and daily necessities industries, etc. Over the past 20 years, we have been selling glass beads to all over the world, gaining praises from all clients. In the production process of glass beads, we use advanced and scientific production technology, going through stainless steel or plastic media to ensure that there is no rust in the producing process, in the whole process, and restore the true color of glass beads. The automatic mixing packaging machine can accurately produce various types of glass beads according to the preset formula, after which output of the self-designed automatic packaging line can reach 10 tons per hour. After strict quality control, these products are continuously delivered to users all over the world.